What is Apple Intelligence invented by Apple Company for personal intelligence system on iPhone? What are features of Apple Intelligence and difference between Apple Intelligence and artificial intelligence? Apple Intelligence is new personal intelligence system. It is combining generative models with personal context. Apple Intelligence first launches in US English. Apple Intelligence is an artificial intelligence platform developed by Apple. It helps users prioritize and stay in the moment with summarized notifications across apps. The idea is that Apple Intelligence is built into your iPhone, iPad, and Mac to help you write, get things done, and express yourself. It draws on personal context across your Apple devices to make recommendations and generates results more specific to you. Apple touts the AI feature as setting a brand new standard for privacy in AI. What are Apple Intelligence key features and capabilities with description? The key features of Apple Intelligence are on-device processing, private cloud compute, enhanced Siri, improved writing and expression, personalized experiences. What is personalized experiences? Apple Intelligence draws on your personal context to tailor its suggestions and recommendations to your specific needs and preferences. What is enhanced Siri? Apple Intelligence empowers Siri with on-screen awareness, allowing it to understand and take action with things on your screen. For example, you can say, "Add this address to their contact card," when a friend texts you their new address, and Siri will handle it. What is improved writing and expression? Apple Intelligence helps you write, express yourself visually, and get things done more efficiently. It can suggest words and phrases, generate different creative text formats, and even create images based on your descriptions. What is on-device processing? Many of the AI models that power Apple Intelligence run entirely on your device, ensuring your privacy by keeping your data local. What is private cloud compute? Apple Intelligence can leverage server-based models that run on dedicated Apple Silicon servers, while still prioritizing privacy for more complex tasks. Difference between Apple Intelligence and artificial intelligence with description. Know about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI applications include expert systems, natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, and machine vision. AI requires specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. John McCarthy is considered the father of artificial intelligence or AI. Know about Apple Intelligence. Apple announced that Apple Intelligence, personal intelligence system that combines the power of generative models with personal context to deliver intelligence that is incredibly useful and relevant. Apple Intelligence is integrated into iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. With Apple Intelligence, users can boost productivity through features like writing tools, which can proofread, rewrite, and summarize text across various apps. What are powerful Apple Intelligence features with description? Let's know about powerful Apple's Apple Intelligence features. Apple Intelligence, a personal AI system designed to enhance how to write, express yourself. It brings advanced privacy protections, ensuring that your data remains secure and inaccessible, even to Apple. Audio recordings made in the Notes or Phone app are automatically transcribed, and summaries are generated, allowing users to quickly review the most important information. The Genmoji feature lets users create personalized emojis, while the Image Playground app enables the creation of unique images from descriptions, photos, or concepts. The Cleanup tool allows users to easily remove background objects from photos with a single tap. Siri also gains new capabilities with Apple Intelligence, offering context-aware assistance, improved language understanding, and personalized help, making interactions more seamless and natural. Apple Intelligence does support supplemental third-party AI services, with ChatGPT being the first one announced. ChatGPT access will be integrated into Siri and writing tools on iOS, iPadOS, and macOS Sequoia, allowing Apple device owners to access it without jumping between tools. What tools will Apple Intelligence have? Lists, notes, media, messaging, payments, restaurant reservations, VoIP calling, and workout. Thanks for watching Coding Knowledge, and stay tuned for upcoming videos of up-to-date tech news.